In this video, I will show you how to make your POCO M3 look like stock Android. First step is to go to Play Store and download Launcher 2. Now go to Play Store again and search for Pixel Icon Pack and download it. Long press the home screen and click on Home Settings and then Theme. Click on the icon pack and then choose Pixel Icon. Now remove the Date widget. Long press the home screen and choose Widgets. Look for At a Glance Google widget and place it on the home screen. Now go to Settings and search for Control Center. Untoggle Use New Control Center. Now you will have a stock Android notification panel. Now download Google apps like Phone, Messenger, Files, and Google Camera. Now your POCO M3 will look like stock Android Google Pixel phone. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos like these, click on subscribe button and I'll catch you guys in the next one.